Look at that.
Beautiful, beautiful product.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today's video we're going to be prepping the mould and waxing it for a replica TVR Sagaris, and it will include a very controversial engine that some people, or a lot of people will like and a lot of people will disagree.
First of all, we need to wax it because when we're popping the molds out of the shape, we want the fiberglass to come out as easy as possible. So a lot of these pieces that you see here are going to be bolted down into one big front end for the TVR Sagaris, and just to make it easier for us to pop it and make our life a lot easier, we're waxing it at least 7 to 10 times. It should just pop right off, and then we'll have a really nice looking TVR front end when we're finished.
And so it begins.
Almost full cap.
Yeah. You're gonna pop it, yeah?
I'll try to.
Yeah, so it's gonna look a bit violent in some places where you've got to hammer the heck out of it to release it, but yeah, we'll go ahead, Publius, whack away. Let me get out of your way so you don't kill me. Whacking, it should, in theory, it should all come out now. One piece is already got loose, and let's see how it looks under there. Ah, look at that.
Beautiful fella.
Look at that.
Beautiful, beautiful fella.
Look at that. Well done.
Really good.
I've got two designs. I've got this one.
I like that colour.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's nice. I think that's the Bayside blue.
yeah, I like that.
And this is the Focus RS orange.
That's cool.
Yeah. So I told him to do it in that. The only thing with this rendering is he's left the original Cerebra doors
Yeah.
and rear end. And this is the 3D model that we're going to use.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
This thing's gonna be crazy.
Yeah. And it's got that rear end on the model.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's so cool. It's gonna be a mental car.
It's going to be crazy, huh?
Look how fat the tyres are in the
Yeah.
rendering as well.
It's gonna be so sick.
It's going to be crazy.